come to live, working weekends in the street. When it happens, no one says, it's just like those off your bed. Come in the punishment, storm the government. Plastic mask on everywhere. You have no sky to show your face. You acting like God doesn't live. You're a cancer of the human race. Why am I so day? We need a stronger government. Are you gonna escape me? We want capital punishment. Capital punishment. Stronger government, we need a stronger government. Bring back capital punishment. We need a stronger government. Bring back capital punishment. We need a stronger government. Bring back capital punishment. We need a